Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your PayPal account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your PayPal account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address paypal.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of PayPal, whereas on this page guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login and the sign up button available for us. Click on the login button over here, and then you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had signed up for a PayPal account earlier over here. But if you've forgotten your email ID guys, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says forgot email. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your email ID, and after entering your email address guys, click on next, and you will be required to get a code on the phone number with which you had created an account, or else you can just click on the try another way to enter your password. You can see these two options will appear where it says login with your password. If you click on the login with your password guys, this place to enter your password will appear, and over here enter your password guys. My computer has auto saved the password for me, so I'll not be entering the password, but in your case you'll be required to type in the password. But if you've forgotten it guys, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password, and after entering your password guys, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your PayPal account on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your PayPal account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.